Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Is your video's audio too loud in some parts and too quiet in others? In Canva, you can use the balance all feature to automatically balance the audio level across your video, helping it sound more consistent. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to use balance all for video audio in Canva Mobile. Let's get started. First, open Canva on your device. Then select video. Canva offers several video formats you can choose from. For this example, I'll select YouTube video. You can also open an existing project if you've already created one. Choose a template to continue. Once the video editor opens, tap the video clip you want to edit. Swipe through the editing tools below the timeline until you find volume, then tap volume. The audio settings screen will appear. Tap balance all. Canva will automatically balance the audio levels in your video. Once the process is complete, tap the X icon. Then tap the checkmark icon. Your audio settings will be saved, and that's how to use balance all for video audio in Canva Mobile. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more Canva tutorials.